In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find extra sizes in Uniqlo 2026. Let's get started right on the Uniqlo website. Open your browser and head to the Uniqlo homepage for your region. If you're redirected automatically, that's fine. Just make sure you're on the correct country site so pricing, stock, and sizes reflect what's available to you. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the very top of the screen for the main navigation menu. You'll see categories like women and men. On a computer, simply hover your mouse over the category you want to shop. On a phone or tablet, tap the menu icon, then tap women or men to expand the options. This step opens a detailed drop-down with subcategories and special features. In that expanded menu, find the option labeled Extra Sizes. It's typically grouped with other curated collections. Go ahead and click Extra Sizes to open a dedicated page. This page is designed to gather items that offer extended sizing so you don't have to search product by product. On the Extra Sizes page, you'll see clearly marked options like XL and 3XL. Think of this page as a hub. It filters in styles that carry those larger size ranges. Availability can vary by item and color, so it's normal if some colors list more sizes than others. Use the on-page filters to narrow by category, fit, or other preferences so you can quickly get to what you need. From here, browse through the items that include extra sizes. Take your time scrolling. Outerwear, tops, bottoms, and seasonal releases may all appear. If you have a specific look in mind, use the sort tools for new arrivals or best sellers to surface popular picks first. When something catches your eye, click the product to open its detail page. This is where you can see all color options, fabric details, and photos. Look for the size selector and choose the exact size you want, such as XL or 3XL. If a size is grayed out, it's currently unavailable for that color. For the best fit, check the size chart or garment measurements linked on the page, and consider the model's height and fit notes if they're provided. Also note that some styles run slim or relaxed, so sizing guidance on the page can be especially helpful. That's it. By starting at the home page, using the top menu to access extra sizes, browsing the dedicated collection, and then selecting the size on the product page, you can quickly find XL and 3XL items. Happy shopping and enjoy building a wardrobe that fits comfortably and looks great.